PIQC Institute of Quality is pleased to participate in the 8th Industrial Expo at Lahore Expo Center, bringing together leading Chinese and Pakistani manufacturers and trading companies. Are you facing high rework costs, frequent defects, or production inefficiencies? Many businesses struggle with these challenges, impacting profitability, competitiveness, and export compliance. PIQC has helped companies save millions by reducing rework, improving quality compliance, and optimizing processes through our data-driven Lean Six Sigma solutions and consulting services. For example, at a food company in Faisalabad, PIQC helped save $15.9 million over 4 years implementing Lean Six Sigma program by their process improvement teams, and at some other textile mills, achieved 38% reduction in downtime. Such process improvements can be achieved through modern quality improvement tools by PIQC Institute of Quality. If you're looking to minimize costs, enhance product quality, or need support with export compliance, visit PIQC Institute of Quality at Hall 3, Stall 3D6 and 3D7. Meet our expert consultants for free advisory on digitalization, automation, data analytic solutions, process optimization, problem solving, and Lean Six Sigma. You can also explore our services in quality management, supply chain, sustainability, ASCM APICS, EHS, HR, digitalization, data analytics, and blockchain. Discover how PIQC can help your business stay ahead in today's competitive market. For more information, visit piqc.edu.pk. See you at the PIQC stall in Hall 3, Stall 3D6 and 3D7 at Lahore Expo Center on 9th, 10th, and 11th November for free advisory on your current needs.